Hey, good morning. We officially have a new update inside of Documents and Contracts, which is going to allow us to automatically collect a card on file when they sign a contract. So I'm just going to click into here, one that we already have. Okay, we'll come down to the bottom. And then if we hit the plus, you'll see we have a new option here that is card details. So all we really have to do is go ahead and add this into whatever contract or document we want to. We can assign it, make it required. And then what will happen is this is going to automatically collect and store a card on file for your customers when they're done with this document. That will allow you to go ahead and auto charge or manually charge the card on file when they have like a new subscription due, invoice, etc., etc. But quick little update here. It's going to be super helpful for anyone that basically is going to be billing after the fact, after services are rendered, and have somewhere in their agreement that basically as soon as it's done, you're going to be charged. So if you have any questions, let us know.